go CZP Titan intercoolers 2.5 and stock recirculation valves. This is the Specialty Z Recirc silicone hose kit, which they had to be clocked differently than what everything says for like the Z1 stuff. If you look at how they're clocked, so that's indeed the right with that red sticker on it. The left's going to be blue. So if you look down, it's blue somewhere. There you go. So yeah, they had to be clocked a little bit differently. Made them work. Particularly, these hoses. Which, I smacked the crap out of that, so it's a little bent, but we'll see if it leaks during a boost leak test. I extremely doubt it, but gotta do what you gotta do. This one's a little nicer, but yeah. If you look at that hose, pretty straight. The receiver dryer had to be taken out of its spot. I've got one more bolt in there, but wasn't fitting the way the factory intended, so I had to take it apart a little bit to make this hose. That one, not as kinked. But yeah, overall we'll get the bumper on once it's painted, whenever that happens. And yeah, that is the CZP Titan 2.5s with the Specialty Z piping. It's the newer piping that's concave. It's got a little bend to it on this, so it clears larger radiators, even though I'm going with a Denso OE sized on this bad boy, just because. Yeah, so that's it. Cheers.